Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I will compare Jetson Bolt Pro to Lectric XP Lite. This is a Jetson Bolt Pro, just removed from the box, still not assembled, but I don't have Lectric XP Lite with me since they never sent me one. Not sure why, but hopefully Lectric will hear this message and will send me one. But I will do this video anyways to compare and give you more information, the difference between one bike versus another one. And this is not paid commercial and non-sponsored video. I'll post all the links in description. If you like it, you can buy one. So I got it from Costco.com, Jetson Bolt Pro. Lectric XP Lite probably are not shipped yet. That's why I don't have one, and they only sent to some of the YouTubers, but for some reason again they never sent me one. I'm okay with that, but I want to give you more information. Jetson Bolt Pro, very well known mini e-bike on the market, and it weighed about 45 pounds, made mostly out of steel, so it can get rusted a little bit. And Lectric XP weighed about 46 pounds and made out of aluminum, which is not gonna get rusted and probably stronger. So I will show you close up the difference. So here's a Jetson Bolt Pro. I specifically never assembled it, so to show you how it comes in a box, well packed, with some isolation and protection. You can remove this film and it looks really nice and beautiful. All black, comes in one color, and Lectric XP comes in 4 colors. You can check the website for the name of the colors. I think white, some black, looks like beige and blue. They have different names for that, and I don't really remember those names, but doesn't matter. You can check by yourself on the website, link in description. So it comes like this, almost assembled, about 95%. So you just need to put seat in, okay? And I'm not gonna assemble it today. I will just show you basic seat. It comes in with a box, and the box will have the pedals which you need to attach, the rear fender, charger, some light which on battery, and few tools. Of course, the manual. That's all. Compared to Lectric XP, comes already fully assembled. You just need to remove from the box and you can go and ride it. Again, it's not a big deal. You can assemble pretty simple, even with one hand. Just bring it up, the post, lock it, make sure you put a locking device over here. It's for safety, you need to just lock it in. You can see in description all the video I made about Jetson Bolt Pro. And then you need to attach the pedals, put some air, and you can ride it, and remove of course some protection too. And I'll give you some more technical difference as well. So Jetson Bolt Pro have 350 watt motor, which is sounds good, but it's 36 watt motor, so it's not as powerful as a Lectric XP, which 48, and it's only 300, but the peak power up to 720 watt power, which is makes much stronger than Jetson Bolt Pro. The battery, it comes with 36 watt battery with 6 amp, which is kind of small, and this battery is not removable with Jetson Bolt Pro. With Lectric XP, it's a bigger battery, 48 by 7.4 I believe amp, and you can easily remove the battery. You can charge with the bike, or just remove the battery and charge separately. And also you can buy extra battery and replace them if you need it, or have extra battery for longer distance. For delivery it's a great, so it's a small bike but with a lot of features. This bike comes with 14-inch wheels, Lectric XP Lite comes with 20-inch. Okay, it's a bigger wheel, so it's more stability on the road, and probably can handle better weight as well. This one pretty strong bike, even it's mini, but it's strong. The weight about exactly the same, only 1 pound difference. So foldability, as you could see, I can fold the handlebar on this bike, but you cannot fold the frame. So basically it will fit in my car, but it's not actually foldable e-bike by all means. The Lectric XP Lite, it's a foldable frame and foldable handlebar, which makes it much smaller, and Lectric XP Lite looks like a bigger bike actually, because the wheels are bigger, 20-inch versus 14. And also with Lectric XP you have options to attach basket. With this bike there's not much options unless you attach to the frame or to the seat post. And with Jetson Bolt Pro you get headlight, which is integrated, but the rear light is just small piece of battery light, which you have to turn on, turn off by itself manually, and the battery die. I'm not sure where you get the battery after. And with Lectric XP, front and rear, which is good, integrated, so you don't have to change batteries, and it's always on when you need it, when your battery is charged, of course. With Jetson Bolt Pro you get only one speed. This pedal assist, only one level. With Lectric XP Lite, 5 pedal assist level. And mostly people want to increase the speed on Jetson Bolt Pro because it's going about up to 16 miles per hour. With XP Lite up to 20 miles. So it's a big difference. Out of the box I believe it can go up to 20 miles. You don't have to do any speed hack, any changes much. Also, this bicycle Jetson Bolt Pro does not come with any LCD or display. This small display of the battery over here, which is not very accurate usually, and that's all you get. With XP Lite you get LCD display with more information on it, as speed, the battery life, and the distance you ride, and some more information. Also, the Jetson Bolt Pro, it's class 1. You can ride it almost anywhere where a regular bike can ride. You can check with your local laws. But Lectric XP, it's a class 2, which some parks might not allow you. But again, the settings where you can change probably to class 1. I'm not 100% sure, but you may want to check with Lectric XP Lite to see if they're changeable to class 1. Another things to consider, Jetson Bolt Pro comes with 1-year warranty with a support which from my experience are not really helpful. I tried to call them a few times in the past and I didn't get much help. So with Lectric XP, based on the consumer, they're very happy because they have local support from Arizona, and people are very knowledgeable, always happy to help you, and you get things done. When you're buying Jetson Bolt Pro, you can simply just, if you bought it in Costco, you can simply just return it if you have any problems, no question asked. With Lectric XP, I'm not sure what's the return policy, but they do give you good warranty for 1 year, so something to consider as well. Jetson Bolt Pro comes with 160mm disc brakes, front and rear, the same XP Lite with 160mm brakes, also mechanical, so it's a good brakes for this small bicycle, so there's about the same. And that's how it looks assembled. Here's a power button, it's very easy to use. Just start and you can turn on cruise control over here. if you need a light. Also over here, check the description for more information how to use this. And that's all for today. I hope this video helps you to decide which bike you want. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video so I can make more videos like this. If you're looking for comfortable seat, check the link below. If you have any question about Jetson Bolt Pro or how to make it faster, check link below in description. I'll post more information about Jetson Bolt Pro. I made videos how to use this and so on. And also, if you buy Lectric XP right now, they have a special. They give you free slime in the tires, so you don't have to do anything. It's already come with a slime inside, free. With Jetson Bolt Pro, you can put it. It's not expensive, up about $8 to put by yourself. But hey, you don't have to do anything with Lectric XP. Just receiving and ride it and enjoy it. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.